How to add a friend on Snapchat. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how you can add a friend on Snapchat in several ways. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat application. Click on your profile picture to access your profile. Scroll down until you find the Add Friends option. In the Quick Add section, you will see friends and acquaintances who have a profile on Snapchat. If you want to add someone, simply click on Add next to their profile name. This way, you will send a follow request. Another way to add a friend is to enter your friend's profile name in the search field. Keep in mind that it's easier to find a friend if you know the exact profile name. I will enter the profile name of the friend I want to add on Snapchat. When the profile you are looking for appears, click on the plus icon next to the profile name to send a friend request. The third way is to invite your friends by clicking on Invite Your Friends. Sync your contacts to add friends, share snaps, and view their stories. If you agree to Snapchat's privacy policy, information about your contacts will be sent to Snapchat. To continue, click on Continue. Profiles of friends without Snapchat accounts will appear. To invite them, click on Invite next to their profile name. You can also send invitations via social media. I hope this video was helpful. Follow us for more similar tutorials.